What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Another quick video on this 2015 Denali 2500 6.6 Duramax, 6 inches of lift from Fabtech. Currently running some 35 nitto mud grapplers. A beautiful truck. We got this thing priced right. I'm sure all you guys know Duramax Denalis are not cheap. They're some of the most expensive trucks on the market, but you get what you pay for on this one. Gorgeous truck on the body. Exterior is in absolutely wonderful shape. I just drove this down to run some errands, about 20-30 miles, and it is a pleasure to drive. I drive the big black 15 Denali that's on my website. This is actually a good change of pace. Mine's huge, and this is like a perfect daily driving truck. So if you're in the market, we got this truck, I think priced at only 42 grand or 42.9. It's a 2015, 97,000 miles, mechanically excellent shape, zero rust. I believe the truck was from, I want to say it came out of Missouri if I remember right. But anyway, just one badass 2500 Duramax Denali. So come check us out. It is by far the cheapest one cheapest one you'll find online that's lifted, tuned, deleted. It's got all the good upgrades that's necessary to own one of these trucks. Again, I believe it's priced right around 43.9. So if you're in the market, give us a shout. Hit the subscribe button in the bottom right. You get to see more videos, more trucks like this that come up for sale. Some of these things I post on YouTube, they end up selling within the first 24, 48 hours on deposit. So if you're interested, give us a shout. 540-898-1300. Let me give a quick shot of the interior too. It's all finished off in black leather. Interior's in good shape. You got just a little bit of wear on your side bolster. Nothing that you wouldn't expect. Fully loaded Denali. She sounds good too. Give her a little click. Like I said, tuned, deleted, the whole 9 yards. Truck, turnkey truck. Just get in it, start driving.
Holidays are right around the corner, and so is Walmart. For great deals on the essentials you need right now. This week, select varieties of Tide and Downy laundry gear are $2.99 with coupon. Plus, buy one get.
So again, if you're interested, call us direct, 540-898-1300. You can reach out to us directly on our website at www.DLUX-motorsports.com. You can also message us through Facebook on our Facebook page.